If you click on any link on your iPhone, it will launch the Safari browser by default. If you want to change it on your smartphone, then this video is for you. In just a few seconds, you can change your phone's default browser for all time. What you need is a third-party browser installed on your iPhone and iPad, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, or any VPN browser. You can add a new browser from the Apple App Store, type the browser name in the search bar, and install it. So let's follow the steps. Open the Settings app from your iPhone home screen. Scroll the screen to Apps and click it. Over here, look at the Safari setting. Cool. Now click on the default browser app. On my phone screen, there are 4 options because apart from Safari, I have 3 third-party browsers. On your device, it will be different. For instance, I'm clicking on the Chrome browser. This means that any link will launch on the Chrome browser until I do not make a change in the default browser. Now go back and access any page that has a link. I clicked on a link so you can see that a page opened in Chrome browser instead of Safari. In the future, if you need Safari as a default browser, come to this page and tap on Safari. That's very simple. So friends, I hope this video found helpful. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.